A lot of time y'all forget about the hard stuff, but the hard stuff is here at Core. They go through your whole bookkeeping, they go through your whole financial, they actually talk about everything that you need to talk about. This is Delana, and she's gonna break it down for us. Hey Delana, how are you today?
I'm great, how are you?
All right, so tell us about Core and what like y'all really do.
All right, so Core Group is the creative accountant. We handle the bookkeeping, taxes, strategy to grow and scale your business profitably. That way tax season rolls around, you know exactly what is being coming out, what exactly is happening and how much you're gonna owe, but more importantly, how much you're gonna pay yourself. That's what we want to do. We want you to pay yourself more. So that's
more.
it. That's more. We're going to guide your business and make sure that we profitably gain. Make sure we have all those taxes in order. That way you can basically make it happen.
Are y'all mostly virtual or where are y'all based?
We're based out of Oklahoma City. We cover currently 38 states and we're scaling and we're predominantly virtual.
Nice, nice. How did y'all become the leader for creatives?
You know, I would like to say it's something fancy, but the realism is it's not. They just kept coming to us.
Yeah.
And then we asked them last year, why us? Why did you choose us? And it's as simple as this. They said, you understand our industry. You understand that it's not a black and white thing, that there's a lot of gray, and that's where it came from. And they just keep coming, and we love it. So we embrace it.
Perfect. So, are y'all giving any deals for the creators to?
Well, you know, you can take a koozie if you're here.
Okay.
You can take a cup if you're here, and you sure as heck can take candy.
I don't want any candy.
But we have awesome guides here that are ebooks and they're free. And so basically all you have to do is scan a QR code. Once you scan that, you form fill it out and it goes straight to your email. And that's it. That's all you do.
So where can we find you online? Is it just Core?
It is Core Group US on all the social media channels. And if you want to visit us online on our website, it's coregroup.us.com.
Thank you.
That's it.
As simple as that.
Simple as that.
All right, Core Group, come get all your business stuff in order, or you won't have a business.
Exactly.
All right.
Payday.
Thanks, Delana.
Oh, thank you.